So this is our third event with the Radius for our team, and this is my second event with them. But far from the first event, this one is more of a light and party setting. So come on, let's enjoy and give them the signature hosted by Colleen Perez with energy, happiness, and love.
Outside. Right side. Lahat na nasa left side, ano po yun? Public. So open to
driving success. This is in celebration of Radius 25th anniversary, and of course, welcome everybody. My name is Colleen Perez, and I'll be your host for tonight's party. Just a few announcements. We have a spin booth right outside the foyer. You can update your new Facebook Reel video with that spin booth happening right there. Also, if you may please leave your business cards also by the entrance. We would really appreciate that. But for now, all you have to do is relax and revel in our circle so we can tighten, bond, and celebrate our partnership here at Goose Bar Marco Polo, Manila. And now to kick off the program, we will start with a few short messages from the members of the Radius team. So first up, are you ready to hear it from the Radius team? I think a little bit more energy for that, guys. This is a party. Are you ready to say cheers to the circle? There you go.
While you're having your Sanctus dinner, I guess, pag-usapan niyo si Radius, pag-usapan niyo yung RMs niyo, pag-usapan niyo experiences with Radius kung bakit kayo you stuck with us for this past week as well.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I know everybody is getting warmed up with our bar opened already, but I want you to give a big hand for our next speaker for tonight. He will be sharing a few words, but please give it up here in front, Radius Vice President and Head of Sales, Sir Beng Manahan.
Alam niyo naman, pag si Radius we work hard but we party harder. So maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo. Advance Merry Christmas to everyone and enjoy the booze, pero let's be home safely tonight. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Beng. Indeed, what Sir Beng said, we work hard, but we also party hard. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we are introducing to you the rock star of Radius. Coming up next, please give a big hand. I want all your energy on this guy, okay? Pwede po ba yun? Parang kulang pa. Ayoko siya i-introduce pag ganyan. Are you ready to welcome our next speaker? That's good. Please maintain that and please give it up for Mr. Kiel Delgado, Radius President and CEO.
Thank you, Colleen. Thank you very much to everyone who braved the traffic, no parking, to join us tonight to celebrate our 25th year anniversary, as Beng has mentioned and as Merlina has mentioned.
Indeed, cheers to the circle. Thank you so much, Sir Kiel. Now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to party? Parang ang bilis naman po yatang tumama nung ala. No? Oo, parang, hello? Are you ready to party? There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome our band for tonight, Brad and Nina.
It's classic case, so you can see the truth. There's love at its side. Is everything you see?
25th anniversary party brought to you by Radius. Now, ladies and gentlemen, since we're already warmed up to the party, who here wants to win home some prizes? Ramon del Rosario. Congratulations, sir. You're going to the spa. From South Star Drug. South Star. Where are my friends from South Star? King Harry David. King Harry David. Sir, congratulations po. You're going to the spa. From Chick Center Corporation. Jemar Danyo. Andun sa labas. Bakit ba nasa labas lang sila? Papunta na tayo sa exciting na part. This GC is worth how much? Can I see them, ano? Just to be sure. Just to be sure. 5,000 worth of gift certificate. Okay? Ngayon, since nag-iinuman po tayo, medyo kakasulit ko po kayo ng konti. Sino po dito ang nakapaglaro na nung Never Have I Ever? Hindi na nun yung laro natin. Ang title kasi ng laro natin is Put Your Finger Down. Pero kasi masyado kayong marami para bilangin ko yung mga fingers niyo. So now, can I please ask everybody to stand up? Stand up. Opo, marami na po kasi tayo nakain. Opo. Example. Are you at a Radius party? So syempre, uupo kayo kasi nasa Radius party. Kasi nagawa niyo na. Okay. Everybody, understood? Yes, para talagang grabe yung tama ng alak. Okay. Are you ready to win 5,000? Okay, now, sit down if you've ever joined a meeting with your pajamas on, nakapambahay, nakapagtulog, nakaboxers for the boys. Oh? Ha? Ano sa ni sir? Virtual, syempre. Virtual. Sino nagpapajama, sir, papunta sa office? Hanggang sa bahay, naka-full office uniform. Very good kayo dyan. Okay. Next, sit down if you've talked while muted for more than 10 seconds without realizing it. Ibig sabihin, hindi nakamute yung mic nyo pero kuda kayo ng kuda sa online meeting. Naririnig pala kayo sa meeting. Okay. Sino yung kuda na naka-open pala ang mic, hindi pala nakamute. Ay, parang marami pong tinamaan. Okay, pero marami pa rin po ang tutorial discipline. Everybody, stand up again. Ganyan talaga pag-exercise, hindi pwedeng ako lang napapagod kakatayo dito. Dapat kayo din. Everybody, stand up, 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 up. And find a partner. Everybody, face your partner. Face your partner. The title of the game is Winner Takes 3,000 from Bloxy! Alam po niyo yung game na meron dating involved na 20, hindi niyo na kailangan maglabas ng 20. Kailangan lang matalo po ninyo yung kapartner ninyo. And once you've defeated your partner, you find another person. O diba? Thank you. Next. Lahat po marunong ng bato-bato pick? Okay, bakit po nakaupo yung iba? Everybody stand up and find your partner. Opo. Parang ano po dito, deal ng Viva Max talaga dito ay. Peace. Okay, everybody, lahat po ba may partner na? Yung mga walang partner, pwedeng mga bilang table. 3, 2, 1, and bato, pick! Lahat po na nanalo, please raise your hand. Okay, lahat ng natalo, please sit down. Habang po kayo dyan. Grabe naman yung host. Gusto ko worthy. Okay, lahat po may partner na? Bato, pick! Okay? So medyo finals na ito. Find a partner! Ayaw talaga nila mag-cross. Gusto talaga nila yung katabi lang. Oo, pareho yan. O, si Sir dapat may partner. Sinong wala? O, pwede niyo po dito. Ayan. Okay, harap-harap, harap-harap. 3, 2, 1, and bato, bato, pick! Yung mga natalo, please go back to your seats. Okay, bato, bato, pick. In 3, 2, 1, and bato, bato, pick. Bye na. Ay, bye talaga siya. Na, please come back to the court. Wow! Boys versus girls! Okay! Boys versus girls para masaya. Boys versus girls na! Kailangan talaga boys lagi, girls lang. Oo, partner. Okay. Lapit po. Ako lapit. Come closer. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and bato, bato, pick! Ay, it's a tie! O, isa pa kayo. 3, 2, 1, and bato, bato, pick! Para magsusutukan talaga ito. Okay, isa pa. 3, 2, 1, and bato, bato, pick! Ay, sorry! Bye-bye! Kayo naman, sir. Okay, oh? Wait lang. Wala pang panalo. Wala pa. Magmalalaban pa sila. Okay, what's your name, ma'am? And what company do you represent?
DJ from Global Payments.
From Global Payments. Miss DJ, you, sir?
I'm Russ from BPI.
Ross from BPI! Grabe, ganun pa na mag-away ang pera. BPI versus Global Payments. Paano kaya pag-awayan yung mga bills ko? Okay, Sir Inigo. Isang bagsak lang to, gusto mo raise to 3. Nakatalikod? Okay. Nag-isip ako ng twist para mahirap. Kaya 3K din yung pinaghihirapan natin, oo. Mahal ang meral ko ngayon. Okay. Bato, pick. Tapos saka po kayo maghaharap. Di ba parang sa K-drama? Ba't di ganong moment? Oo, epal talaga to si Colleen. Kahit kailan. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, and bato, pick! Ay, gusto ko ulitin yung ginawa niya. Sabi niya. Congratulations, ma'am. You win 3,000 from Plaxi! Ito ka picture sa yung outfit. For now, let's say cheers to the circle. Mingle. Sinong single? Please do mingle for business. As we celebrate partnership so we can drive ourselves to success. With that being said, I will give the floor back to Brad and Nina. We are nearing the time that we are giving away an accommodation for Marco Polo, and then we're also giving away 2 iPads. Kung sa kanila first winner, ma'am. Roy A. Vigila. Wala. Sir, please pick another winner. Wala daw. Ishmael Ramirez from MBC. Nakita po niyo ako? Kita po kayo sa picture. Aha. 3, 2, 1, and Happy 25th Anniversary Radio! Galing naman yun! Okay, sir, una ka muna, okay? Parang Miss Universe lang, okay? Ganito ha, ito ang blocking. Opo, impromptu po ito. So here, o diba sa Miss Universe may camera, aura. O syempre yung audience dito. O pose. And then, the audience here. Okay? At syempre to the crowd, dapat siya at the stage ulit. Okay na po? Ang blocking. Okay, so pati, palitter T. Ready? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our best dressed for tonight! Hey, Mr. Radio 2025. Please give it up for Miss Eloisa Rolga. Tayo baterina siya. Congratulations, Mark Gestoso! Advance Merry Christmas! Our next band will go bring you to rock and roll! Tapos, tuturuan ko kayo. Kapag pumasok yung next band, sasabihin niyo, Circle, Circle, Circle. Anyway, keep